My basic of biotechnology playlist, that what exactly ribosome is and how they help in protein synthesis. This is something we are clear with. So now today what we are going to understand is the difference between eukaryotic and karyotic difference in between the two, and how they are actually helping the protein synthesis in these two cells. And before that, I would like to introduce you to this term S. This is Swedenborg unit. Swedberg unit. Oh, I'm sorry. I was been saying Sweden. I'm sorry. Swedberg unit. This is Swedberg unit, which is responsible in the ultracentrifugation of that particular DNA that we would have been using. And in this ultracentrifugation, the centrifugal force is used. Are we clear with centrifugal force? I will let you know. Centrifugal force is something which is working on the cell to outwards while it's in ultracentrifuge, while the DNA is in ultracentrifuge. What happens in ultracentrifuge? It's a kind of this is a kind of apparatus present in ultracentrifuge. Maybe okay, not maybe. We should take it as an example. See, for an instance, this is ultracentrifuge. So in this, there is this tube, and while it's rotating at a very high speed, this particular force, centrifugal force works on this tube, and because of that, that particular ribosome, or should I say, the heavy materials get to the sedimentated, or should I say get sedimentated at the lower part of the tube. Are we clear with that? Yes, we are. So now I will make you understand why this is 70S instead of 80S, because it's 40S plus 30S, and why it is 70S and not 100S, because it was 60S and 40S instead of 100S. It's 80S. Why? I will explain this, but before explaining that, I need you to understand this word. I wanted you to get comfortable with this word, and now I will let you know more about this. How come this value depends, and what are the factors on which this value depends? So this value depends on mass, shape, density, and friction. These are the four terms this particular S, Swedberg, depends upon. So now I will explain you. See, say for an instance, this is the one substance and this is the other substance. If I will explain you this in layman language. Say for an instance, this is one stone and this is another stone. If we leave it in our water like this, we left it, obviously they are going to get at the base of the that particular water container very fast, or should I say at the same speed. And now if we are going to add these two together like this, still it is going to do that, but not at different level. Now they are going to do it all together. So the shape and the density and friction all together works, and mass all together works here, and we are not going to add the two. Similarly, if this is 40S and this is 60S, okay, so we are not going to add the two. It is not additive. We are just going to take an overall area, because shape is also and density is also related. So we are going to take the overall area, and in that overall area, this comes out to be 80S. Are we clear with this? Yes, we are. So similarly, this was in prokaryotic. Similarly, in eukaryotic, it's 70S and not 80S. Say for an instance, this is 50S and this is 30S. prokaryotic, and this is not bond with histones, not histone bond, and this is histone bond. This is histone bond. Yes, we are very much clear with these two parts. This is histone bond, prokaryotic cell, and this is not histone bond. I have also cleared the difference between histone and non-histone bond structures in my basic of biotechnology, and I have also cleared ribosome there. So I'll keep sorry, I'll keep the link in the description for an instance if you would like to see the video. And secondly, I have another thought process going on in my head, is that I should be explaining few of the topics which are so very much not at all understandable, which are like this, the 70s and 80s wala topic. If somebody is not clear with that, I'll keep that in shorts section as well, because that is far more understandable while you are being searching for the for only that topic, or should I say only that particular thing while being studying. And thank you for liking my videos this much, and this actually motivates me. Thank you so much for doing that. And yeah, do share and subscribe my channel if you feel it to be the one which has been helping you out in understanding everything. And this was all from my side. Jai Hind.